India is experiencing an epidemic of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, heart diseases, depression, which often goes undiagnosed or is diagnosed at a very later stage. Today we are at a time when we need to change our action from reactive to proactive. At Medi School, she and her team are life coaches and psychological counselors working for better lifestyle of people of the country. We welcome you again, ma'am, once again to Manav Rachna International School. I would like to request our respected HMs, Surbi ma'am, Karuna ma'am and Anita ma'am to present Dr. Preeti Nanda ma'am with the platter and welcome her.
And thank you for having me here. And I am quite sure that by the time we end this session, you all would have really laughed and taken some messages back home.
Thank you. I request ma'am to take over.
Very, very, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Wow. You know, when I was told, ma'am, आपका session सुबह 9 बजे रखा गया है, I literally jumped out of my chair. I said, I'm going to see teachers with their full vibrant energy this time. And I especially thank you all for, sparing this time out. So before I start my talk, I will want all of us to do this meditation. I really love doing this. Hear this. Can somebody help me with this?
God has to be there.
Your eyes. Sit on your chairs with your feet on the floor. All those who are standing behind, please relax your bodies and have your feet on the floor. No noise, please. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Hold your breath. And just relax yourself. Please think of all the challenges you have in your life. Imagine from the floor to your feet comes a layer of white light. Concentrate on it. Feel its warmth as it enters your body. Feel the light sink into each muscle and the fiber. Light in your calves, knees, thighs, abdomen, eyes, eyes, head. Feel it in your throat, your head. It illuminates your face like sunlight. It infuses you with calm and confidence. I am calm. I am centered. I am at peace. Now imagine the light returning to your cervical plexus. Radiating to your abdomen, to your heels, to your surrounding areas and protecting you. Imagine that you can do everything in life. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you think you should do. Whatever which is going to bring happiness to you, to your loved ones, and to everyone around. Slowly open your eyes and feel the energy around you. Good morning, everyone. So into spiritualism, it is religion, and we go away from that. But I've realized that even if we can take out 30 seconds in our daily routine, it fills us with so much energy that our body and mind gets aligned. Thank you for being supportive. So the topic today is thoughtful eating. Have you ever thought about it? What comes to your mind when you say thoughtful eating?
No oil.
Okay, no oil.
Balanced diet.
Balanced diet. Right time. Proportion. How does all this say thoughtful?
You have given it a thought.
Thinking for enjoying your
You are
meal,
happy with your
Yes.
having gratitude from the farmer to the person who sold it, and being grateful that you have your limbs working, you are able to eat. I think that is the essence way of eating.
Very, very well said. So, how many of us do think when we eat?
I think.
Right. So we have about 5-6 people in this big group, right? For most of us it is like breakfast, jate jate you grab something if you are lucky. Otherwise you reach school and think, I am feeling so hungry, what should I do? Let me look in my bag if there is something, right? When we do lunch, after everybody has had lunch, we think, let me gobble it because अभी बच्चों को पढ़ाने जाना है. Am I right?
Yes.
Right? And अगर किसी दिन बच्चे नहीं हैं घर में या we are alone, then what we want to do? Just order it. Okay. What else? Maggie. Okay. What else?
We don't want to cook.
We don't want to cook, but okay, if the food is already cooked, then what you will do?
Eat a lot.
Eat a lot. Okay. And how will you eat? On the dining table or where? Yes. So what is the luxury for us? Nobody home, food is cooked. So you sit on your bed on your sofa and watch TV while streamlined way of eating food, is it?
Yes.
Yes. So, what do you think this is all about? TV watch करते हुए food खाना कितनी अच्छी बात है? Wow, we are so intelligent. We all know it's not good, but we love breaking rules and doing things which are not good. Right? Yeah? We can do it. It's a nice opportunity for us to go back to our college days. Yeah or no? Yes? Right. So, thoughtful eating means a lot of things. We all know मम्मी के हाथ पुराने टाइम्स में कहते थे ना मम्मी के हाथ का खाना बना बहुत टेस्टी है. Right? And मेड ने बनाया और सेम रेसिपी से the taste is not same. Do you agree or not? Yes. आजकल बच्चे ऐसा कहते हैं?
ना. Not at all. She made for the way to come back.
मेरे बच्चे तो जब हॉस्टल से आते हैं ना किचन में घुस के स्निफ करते हैं गलती से मम्मी ने कुछ बनाया तो नहीं है आज because if she's not made anything they make it a point they will not allow me to enter the kitchen and they'll say बाहर खाने चलना है या ऑर्डर करो right but पुराने टाइम्स में एटलीस्ट हमारे टाइम्स में we knew कि अगर मम्मी खाना बनाती है तो it is tasty क्यों टेस्टी होता है yes so we call this prana or soul. We all know food is living? Yes? So this is the prana of the food. अगर आप हंस के खाओगे, it will give you more energy. अगर आप happily खाओगे, it will give you more energy. So, I want 3 teachers to please come here. Any 3? Yeah, somebody from the back chair also can walk in. 3 teachers.
Back.
Yeah, who is the third one coming? Please come, yes. Yeah, so please observe what they are doing. Yeah. Yeah, please take your seats. So, what do you think should be Komal's response to Anupama? What should be Komal's response to Anupama? अगर आपके साथ ऐसा होगा आप क्या करोगे?
Cold shoulder.
Exactly, we will never wish her because as human beings, the least we expect from the other person is recognition, right? Yeah? And what happens to food when we watch TV while eating food or we just brabble here and there while eating food? What happens to food? How does food feel?
Bad.
Komal, how did you feel the second time when you were trying to hold her hand also but she did not look towards you?
Neglected.
So will you do some work for her? Will you give her positive energy? Of course not. Yes. I like the of course not. Yeah? So how do we expect that food, which is 70 to 80% of our lifestyle, will give us back the energy to do our things from morning till night the way we want to do? Yeah? Therefore, a lot of places in corporates, I take this talk, tired of being tired. How many of us are tired of being tired actually these days? Right? How many of us have not felt an ache in our body, at any part of our body in the last 1 week? Feet में, पैर में, हाथ में, सिर में, anybody. Right? And there's this American Joe who said, life is about getting up in the morning and going to the bed at night and doing whatever you love to do during the day. So are we alive?
No.
No. Yes? Because the moment I get to go and lie down because one part of my body is aching or feeling tired, isn't it? If मतलब अगर मेरा बस चले ना तो मैं अपने साथ एक मसाजर लेके चलूं, so but you know sometimes it happens like that, and I think one big culprit is how we eat food, what we think, and so you know there's no reason why we should get nutrition. Do we all agree on this or not? Perfect. So thoughtful eating, I strongly believe, is a way to healthy living. Can we just scroll this a little down? Yeah. Who will read this quote for me here? Yeah, just.
Take care of your body is the only place you have to live in.
Wow. How many of us believe in this? Yes, we all believe in it, but we don't do much for this. हमारे यहाँ पे कितने लोग ऐसे बैठे हैं जो अपने घर में 2-3 दिन डस्टिंग ना हो फिर भी मस्त बैठे रहेंगे, घुस भी नहीं सकते ना, वो बहुत जरूरी है, ड्राइंग रूम सेट रहना बहुत जरूरी है, राइट है कि नहीं? एंड ड्राइंग रूम सुंदर भी लगना बहुत जरूरी है ना? नहीं? आई थिंक जितना टाइम हम रोज डस्टिंग करने में लगाते हैं, है ना, अगर हम उतना टाइम भी अपनी हेल्थ पे रोज दे लें, don't you think we'll be in a much better space than we are today?
Yes,
Absolutely. Yes? So, see, prioritizing in life is exceptionally important. अगर बच्चा मैथ्स में पुअर है और इंग्लिश में स्ट्रांग है, सिर्फ इंग्लिश ही पढ़ता रहेगा तो फिर क्लास तो आगे नहीं जा पाएगा ना। आप लोग तो नहीं भेजोगे अगर मैथ्स में फेल हो गया तो उसको रुकना पड़ेगा उसी क्लास में। So prioritizing is exceptionally important, and therefore
दिक्कत हो रही है पीछे को।
it is important that, and what is the value of our body, by the way? Anybody? Do you think that? I don't think. I think we can spend on clothes, we can spend on cosmetics, we can spend on watching movies, eating outside. But when it comes to going to a doctor for a consultation, we try all the nuskas, the chemist, right? And then go to the doctor. And a big reason is वो fees लेगा 1000, 2000, 4000, whatever. I don't know, depending on the doctor you go. Right? So I do not think we actually know it that our body is priceless. Yeah? And if I ask you that you give me your kidney, I'm sure you will not. Yeah? So it is very important for us, especially in the coming times. Not only because we want to be healthy, also because this is the culture we are giving to our children. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? जो बोलते हैं वो सुनते हैं क्या? कभी नहीं, right? तो क्या करते हैं? Everything is just the opposite. कुछ और बच्चे क्या करते हैं? जो बोलते हैं वो तो नहीं सुनते हैं. Exactly. I think you are bang on. So it is very important for us today that we follow a good lifestyle. We prioritize things in our life better. We switch our mindset from being materialistic to being holistic if we want our children to enjoy their lives. Do you agree with that or not? Yeah? If it, just imagine our bringing up. When we were young, we never had so much funds, did we? हमारे लिए पैसे की एक वैल्यू होती थी. We had more connections, we had more social connects, we used to go out. Today, children are not doing that. Today morning I was talking about my son to somebody and he asked, does money bind him? I said the last thing which can bind him is money because he thinks पैसा तो कमा ही लेना. So money has lost its relevance today. Right? And it is very important that we go back to our basics for ourselves and for our children. So I'll share my story with you. Next slide. No, the fat, chubby girl 6 years back, right? At 85 kgs, a doctor heading 4 hospitals, seeing people walk in and out every day with diseases, having strong genetic tendency of being a diabetic, a hypertensive, rheumatoid arthritis, obesity. All my aunts have been 120 kgs plus since I've seen them. But I was not doing anything for myself. Because knowing it doesn't mean that you will act on it. Right? And then one fine day I decided I want to start a preventive healthcare company. And I started one, and after 3 months I realized, and being a doctor it took me 3 months to realize, please note that. I realized unless I do something about myself, nobody is going to get motivated to do something about themselves. So if I have to motivate people, and if I have to create that drive of being a healthy city, a healthy country, a healthy world, the first place I need to start is me, right? And of course, I have moved from there to here, and you can see me now also, and I think I have not done much. I've just followed thoughtful eating. Thank you. Yes. Next slide. So these are some of the other people who are benefiting from us. We've had people जिनकी insulin they were on 40 units, 50 units insulin, and now in 6 months they are at 4 or 5 units insulin only. We've had people who were on oral anti-diabetics and have stopped their medicines just because their sugar has come down to 90-95 fasting, and only by doing what? Thoughtful eating. So do you think it's very difficult? No. If you have the right coach and a guide, yes. See, knowledge everybody has, and everybody has Dr. Google with them. Point is not about knowing things today. They are evolved. Point is about monitoring and measurement. When we get off the wagon that one day, is there somebody to pull us back on the wagon? So you don't need a coach or a guide or a nutritionist or a doctor with you to tell you most of the things. You know, you could have heard them somewhere. You need them so that they keep you on track. Because this is not a journey like this. It's a very tipsy-topsy roller coaster ride, because it is not about your weight today. It is about your health. So at Medi School, what I strongly say, and I want you all also to talk about it, is being skinny is not the fashion statement. Today the fashion statement is what? Being healthy. And you decide what your being healthy is all about. And just move towards being that healthy you. Yeah? Yes? So we have a lot of such people. We have people from about 10 countries and 15 states in India who've been helped us. Cholesterol, we've had people who brought their cholesterol down from 500 to 100, from 238 to 189. Yeah, we can just keep scrolling this down. Yeah, so she was an hypertensive, she lost weight and stopped her BP medicines. Then she wanted to fit in her dresses and she did that. And of course we have liver patients, we have kidney patients, we have cancer patients, because cancer is also a lifestyle disease. We also work with infertility cases, fibroid cases, endometriosis cases, because these are all about our nutrition. So this is a very interesting case actually. Officer in defense came to me saying, I'm the healthiest person on earth. I don't know why my BP is high. And after being with us for 3 months, what he wrote was that I always thought that I was very healthy, but I never knew that's a new level to being healthy. Yeah. So great. How many of us think we ever do this? Of course, bit of exaggeration here, but how many of us can relate to this? Finger fries and burger and ordered food and TV or laptop or phone in front of us. How many of us see this happening? Our children doing it or this happening in our neighborhood? Quite a lot. Yes? Yes. And this is what we call thoughtless eating. So how we can do thoughtful eating? Let's see that. Next. Yes. So what is thoughtful eating? Thoughtful eating is using all our 5 senses while we are eating. Yeah? Starting from the smell, to the color, to the taste, and we should chew our spoon at least 16 to 32 times. Every bite. And you know what you will realize? Today go back home and try doing this. And you will realize that even when you've eaten half of what you eat normally, you will feel so satiated that you will say, wow, me to appetite hi nahi rahi yaar, but I'm enjoying it so much. Because it is, you know, our stomach takes about 20 minutes to send the message to the brain that I'm full. So what happens is, when we are looking here and there, when we are focusing on something else, by the time our stomach tells us what is happening, we have already overeaten. Yeah? So please remember to do this. And some very small tips for you, but very, very useful. Buy a slightly smaller plate than the one you are using today. Studies have shown that if you change your plate size from 11 inches to 9 inches, you know how much intake is decreased? 22%. 22% intake decreases if we decrease our plate size by 2 inches. Isn't this a good gift for everybody at home? Yeah? For most of us. So, of course, the second important tip is color your plate with 7 colors. You don't have to worry about how much fat you are eating, how much carbohydrates you are eating, how much protein you are eating. Don't go into that. It just creates stress in your mind. Do not worry about calories. That is the old school of thought. The new way of teaching is different. It has to be more innovative. Right? Just remember, if you have 7 colors on your plate, that means you are having a balanced diet. It will take care of the carbohydrate, fat, protein, micronutrients, all your vitamins, minerals, everything. Now the question is, do we have the time to have 7 colors on the plate all 3 times in the day? Yeah? So say loudly, no, yes, like that. So how are we going to do it? Because we want to stay healthy, right? So how do we want to do it? Who will give me an idea? Breakfast में हम 7 colors कैसे कर सकते हैं? हाँ? Yes, so breakfast में 7 colors करने बहुत easy है. 2 बादाम, 1 काजू, 1 अखरोट, 2 अंजीर या किशमिश, 4 रंग तो हो गए. ठीक है? साथ में दूध, चाय कुछ तो लोगे. और जो भी खाते हो वो खा लोगे. You have 7 colors on your plate. But the way you eat has to change. You have to put everything on your plate, look at your 7 colors, feel happy about looking at the rainbow and eat it. Right? So it is not difficult. You need to get those 5 minutes out of your busy schedule.
That's the most difficult part.
Exactly. But I agree. How many of you allow your children to leave their house without having breakfast? Please raise your hands. Because if this is difficult, 5 minutes for ourselves is difficult, then making our child eat their breakfast breakfast should also be difficult. No? I'd never let that happen. Whatever might happen, मेरा बच्चा breakfast है केला पकड़ के जाएगा बट वो मैं उसको खिला के भेज दूँगी कि नहीं भेजते हैं कि नहीं? So it is not about time नहीं है, it's about clarity नहीं है. 5 minutes is not difficult. It's we have not prioritized it like that. Yeah. Lunch में कैसे करेंगे? Yes. Exactly. And dinner में? Salad or fruits. So having colors is not difficult. But what this does is this releases hormones in our brain, which are happy hormones, and therefore what does it result in? Better digestion and better absorption. So on this I have very, very sweet, I think it's sweet because I'm not yet a mother-in-law, right? But I had a patient who was pregnant and diabetic. So she came to me and fine, we managed to control her diabetes in a nice way. One day she calls me and says, Dr. Preeti, I have a question. I said, okay, ask. He says, मैं जब ये बाहर जाके गोलगप्पे वगैरह खाती हूँ ना डॉक्टर प्रीति तो मेरा शुगर ठीक आता है राइट एंड जब मैं घर में आपका दिया हुआ ये खाना खाती हूँ ना तो मेरा शुगर ठीक नहीं आता so you know the nutritionist with me I asked her I said yaar your client tell me what's the reason she got very confused मैम हो ही नहीं सकता ये you know मैम this is not possible मैंने कहा यार बाहर जब जाती है किस तरह जाती है कहते कुछ नहीं अपने हस्बैंड को फोन करती हूँ वो ऑफिस से आते ही बाहर से ऑन बजाते हैं और मैं बैठ जाती हूँ फिर भी गो आउट वी एंजॉय गोलगप्पे खाते हैं फिर हम 1 घंटा वॉक करते हैं ठीक है एंड उसके बाद जब मैं घर आके शुगर देखती हूँ मेरी शुगर बिल्कुल ठीक है दाना जी मैं तो घर में लंच किस तरह करती है अपनी मदर इन लॉ के साथ वो पूरा टाइम बोलती रहती है तुझे ये खाना चाहिए तुझे ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए तुझे यहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए कहती जब तक मेरा लंच खत्म होता ना डॉक्टर प्रीति लेक्चर खत्म नहीं हुआ होता और जब मैं उसके बाद अपनी शुगर देखती हूँ तो डॉक्टर प्रीति बहुत बड़ी हुई आती है चाहे मैं ग्रीन वेजिटेबल दाल रोटी सब खा रही होती हूँ सो माय पॉइंट इज it is not only about what you eat. We have evolved. It is about when you eat, how you eat, with whom you eat. All of these are very important. The prana in our food is very, very, very important. So please remember, अगर बच्चा मुंह बना के खा रहा है तो उसको कुछ नहीं होने वाला और अगर वो happily थोड़ा भी खा रहा है तो he is good to go. Yeah? I think you like this real episode, no? Yes. And my nutritionist, no? She since then said, "Ma'am, मैं आपके सामने कुछ बोलूँगी नहीं. You think very differently." I said, "No. With today's generation, this is the way we have to think, because mental health is becoming very, very critical. And you know what we eat? It also impacts our memory, our sleep, Alzheimer's, and all." Can be corrected if we eat right. So initially when I used to talk about cardiac disease, diabetes, hypertension, migraine, joint pains, obesity. But today I talk equally about mental health because whatever we eat, it's not what, it's when, how, with whom, and all of that does impact our mental health equally. And over the years what has happened is हमारा फोकस मेंटल पे ज़्यादा हो गया बिकॉज हम मेंटल काम ज़्यादा करते हैं इसलिए हमें उसके इम्पैक्ट भी ज़्यादा दिखते हैं कैन वी सी दैट स्टोरी आई हैव अ स्मॉल स्टोरी टू शो यू एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल डू अ 5-minute एक्सरसाइज यस जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस उसके नीचे एक क्लिक बटन होगा Talk about lifestyle. Exercise, okay. or Indian Heart Society. 30 minutes for 5 days is good, right? But I personally feel teachers' profile gives them, a lot of good and bad things everything has. One good thing you all have in your lifestyle is you keep moving all the day. And that is very, very, very useful. Yeah? So, yes, and you climb stairs also. So I think exercise is one thing which is taken care for all of you in school. Yes, meditation and breathing exercises is something which you should add to your lifestyle. Anybody who does breathing exercises every day? Yeah? Perfect? Not many. So let's do some. Yeah. Please put your hands on your abdomen. Please take a deep breath. Please keep your hands on your abdomen, cross-linked. Take a deep breath in. Make sure when you take a deep breath in, your abdomen comes out. If when you are breathing in, your abdomen goes in as a normal reflex, means you are under stress. Right? And for a lot of us, it is now happening. Wherever I go, I see about 70% of women, they generally first time when they breathe in, their abdomen also goes inside, which is a clear signal that you are under stress and your breathing is not normal. So please breathe in. Push your abdomen outside as much as you can. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Slowly breathe out and squeeze your abdomen inside and try to touch it to your spine. Please try to touch it to your spine. Breathe in again. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Push your abdomen outside. Push it outside so that it can store as much breath inside as it can. Keep your hands on your abdomen so that you feel the breathing. Breathe out. Squeeze your abdomen. One more time. Try to touch your abdomen to your spine. As much as you can. A little more. A little more. Wow. Relax. Breathe out. One more time we're going to do this. Third time. Breathe in. Push your abdomen out as much as you can. Hold your breath.